Cooking with Alpa, and today we are going to make a treat out of leftover roti. We are going to make leftover roti chilla. It's absolutely delicious, and without any further ado, let's begin our process. So for this recipe, you're going to need 2 to 3 leftover rotis, or you can always use fresh rotis as well. 2 tablespoons of besan, which is gram flour, 2 tablespoons of onion chopped, 2 tablespoons of cabbage, which is gobi ke patte chopped, 2 tablespoons of dhania, which is cilantro, 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon of carom seeds, which is ajwain, 1 green chili sliced, some salt and oil, and that is about it. So now let's begin our process. So now in a mixing bowl, let's add all of the besan, followed by some onions, then some cabbage, then some cilantro, which is dhania, few green chilies, carom seeds, garam masala, chaat masala, and a little bit of salt. Let's give it a quick stir. And guys, if you do like my recipe, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon to be first to watch my future videos. And it's free. So why wait? And now let's proceed. And guys, you can always add whatever vegetables you want in this. Like you can always add mushrooms, peas which are boiled and a little mashed, carrots, capsicum, any vegetable that you have in your fridge will do. I just added a little bit of water. Just make sure that it's nice and thick. We don't want it very thin. I guess I'm going to need a little bit more water. Nice. Now you know what guys, I feel like it's missing some color, so I'm going to add a little bit of Kashmiri red chili powder. This is going to give some color, and it's not very spicy either because we already added green chilies. So just for the color I added the Kashmiri red chili powder, and now our batter is ready. And guys, now it is as simple as taking one of the leftover rotis and applying our besan batter or stuffing, whatever you want to call it, lavishly, generously on top. Guys, I'm telling you, this is such an amazing dish. My mother-in-law makes it. I was never able to guess what this tasty dish is, but I'm telling you, make it for like an evening snack. Have it with whatever you want to have it with. You can even have it with ketchup, or I like it with some curd with a little bit of garam masala on top. Yum! My mouth is already watering. I absolutely cannot wait for this dish to be ready. You guys have to try it. It's time for us to cook it. So on a pan, you can even take your griddle. I'm going to apply a little bit of ghee. You can always use oil as well. Make sure that it's spread evenly everywhere. You can even use your spatula to spread it across. And now we are going to take this roti in our hands like this and land it upside down. And we're going to cook it on a low flame for the next 1 to 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, it's time for us to flip it. Look at it. It's looking awesome. And now we're just going to press it down like this. We want the bottom part also to be nicely cooked. And now it's time for us to remove it in a plate. And look at our leftover roti remake, or you can say makeover. Absolutely yum, right? Now guys, you can always use a pizza cutter and cut it into 4 parts, and that is what I like to do when I like to serve this as an evening snack or as a breakfast. I absolutely cannot resist it, so I am digging in. Guys, it has turned out so delicious. It's so healthy. You can make it for your kids for lunchbox, breakfast, evening snack. You can just even have it as a light meal, you know. It's absolutely delicious. Do let me know what you think about this recipe. Write to me in the comment box. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button because that is one way you can support me. And if you like this recipe, you're going to like this one, as well as this one. So do click on these links and I will see you very, very soon. Meanwhile, take care.